What if I told you that the barrier to creating a successful app has completely changed? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I cloned an app that's making $10,000 per month from the App Store, using nothing but AI prompts and completely free. Let's take a look at our target app. As you can see right here, this isn't just any app, it's bringing in $10,000 monthly. Those numbers aren't a typo and they're not a dream. That's real revenue, real success. And we're about to break down exactly how to replicate it. Now, traditionally, building something like this would take months of development time, a team of developers, tens of thousands in development costs, countless iterations and testing. But we're almost in 2025, and the rules have changed. Let me show you something that's going to blow your mind. Watch this. Here's the exact prompt I used. I'm not hiding anything, no secrets, no special sauce. Just pure strategic prompting that tells the AI exactly what we need. And if you need this template, I will provide it in the description, on a Google Docs link. And now, the magic happens. Watch as the app comes together piece by piece. No complex coding, no debugging nightmares, just clean, efficient development powered by AI. For this video, we will use Lovable.dev, which I am not sponsored with, but it is one of the best AI coders out there. It's very simple. You will just log in with your account and that's all. After you've logged in, you will have this chat interface. Basically, we will paste our prompt here, and Lovable will make the initial version of the app. So as you can see, Lovable is doing its job. You don't need to do anything. It will do everything, like installing dependencies and other things. And the crazy part here is that I haven't spent anything for this app, completely free, so everyone can do it same as me. So let's see together the first results. And yeah, the initial version of the app is completed. It has made a fantastic, eye-catching landing page, which you have to pay a developer hundreds of dollars just for this. So let's ask it to add some gradients and a nav bar to make it more professional. But before, let's connect our project to the Supabase database. It is very simple and easy to use. To just have to make an account for it and sign in. So after you've signed up in the Supabase, click on the Create an Organization, and then type a name for your project. I name my project Quit Ease. And then click on Create Organization again. Then click on an Authorized Lovable, and wait. So our Lovable and database get connected to each other. Then in the Connect a Project section, select your project name and click on Create a New Project. Here, type a project name and a strong password for your database. And after you finish, click on Create New Project. After you see this dashboard, you need to wait a few minutes until it sets up the project. After it's done, go to Lovable and connect your project, and you're done. Your database is connected to your application. So let's ask it to add some gradients to the background and a nav bar, and continue with other things we asked before. Let's wait here. As you can see, it has added a professional nav bar and gradients. The app is fully responsive too. It has even added testimonials, which are very great. And it has even made the login page. This is fantastic. The login page is working good. It has some errors, but that's pretty normal, as we will fix it pretty easily. It has made the first basic version of the dashboard and added very cool things, and it is connected with the database. We can log cigarettes too. So now let's copy our prompt again for the remaining thing and tell it to do everything in once. We have already made a fantastic app. So right now it is making the tables for the database. All you have to do is click on Apply so the migration get applied. Let's paste our prompt again and ask it to complete everything and add a nav bar, logout, and settings to the app. Let's wait. Wow, this is very, very fantastic. Our dashboard is almost completed, and this is already better than the app we are cloning. We have tons of features inside. Our daily progress, analytics, goals, and a quit date goal. A reduction plan for quitting and logging cigarettes and its reason. We have achievements so we keep motivated. The common trigger analysis. Now let's ask to make the app fully functional and complete everything. Now let's wait. Wow, we even have a chart for our smoking trends, and it has added a very nice looking circle for trigger analysis. The app is fully responsive too. Now I will stop talking for a moment and let you see what the app is including. Check out this amazing website we built using just 5 AI prompts. We spent $0 and created a fully responsive app that could generate thousands in revenue. Take a look at the left sidebar. We've built something that usually costs thousands and takes months, using only 5 prompts. The best part is there's so much potential for future updates and improvements. As a new YouTuber focused on AI coding, I'll be sharing weekly videos showing you how to build impressive full-stack applications like this one. Each week you'll get practical tutorials on using AI to create valuable projects. If you're interested in learning more, please like, subscribe, and check out the website link in the description below. Stay tuned for more exciting AI coding content.